Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E6i and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with a first way of blocking the number with the usage of your contact list. So let's enter it, find the contact you'd like to block and tap, and then pick 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we can tap on block numbers, and of course your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So simply tap on block, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon, which simply means that the number has been blocked. Of course you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check in the second way of blocking the number if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way requires to enter kind of the settings, so it does not really matter whether you be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Right here we have to enter blocked numbers, and as you can see this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, and here we've got an additional option. So here we can add a number manually, so you do not have to have it saved. So let me tap on this option and show you. As you can see we've got this section, so you can freely enter you can freely enter the number, of course proper number. You can paste it also if you've got it copied, and then tap on block, and it will immediately appear on the blacklist. You can also use this option unknown, which simply means that your device will block all incoming calls from unidentified callers. Up to you if you want to use it or not. And if you want to unblock the number, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.